Hi guys, and welcome to this week's What Would You Do Wednesday. This week we're taking a look at contusions, more commonly known as corks. So Sean here has suffered a bit of a cork playing footy, so we're going to follow our RISA protocol to treat it. So obviously we want to rest, so no running or physical activity for the first 48 to 72 hours, and we're going to apply some ice as well. Before we do that though, I'm going to use a Victor Co-band to apply the compression so then the ice can go straight on top. So what we're going to do is start on the lowest part of his leg and just start wrapping the Co-band around, moving up towards his heart. So we do want this to be fairly tight, but not uncomfortably tight. Is that all right, Sean? Just keep moving up over the whole area that's been affected. The best thing about our Co-band is that it's going to stick to itself, but not Sean's hair, and it's also hand tearable. So you can just rip that off, and then just use a little bit of our 38mm rigid to hold it in place. So now that we've got our compression on, we're going to apply our ice pack to the injured area and use a compression bandage to hold it in place. So again, we're going to start at the furthest part of his leg and move up towards the heart. So with our ice, we're going to keep it on for 20 minutes and then leave it off for 2 hours, and repeat that cycle again for the first 48 to 72 hours. So once we've got our compression on, we're going to need Sean to make sure he keeps his leg elevated. So we need to keep it slightly above the level of the heart, which he can do by staying on our massage table here, and we can pop a pillow underneath to support it. So once we've got Sean nice and comfortable, we need to make sure we refer him on as well, so that he heads off to the physiotherapist just to have a double check to make sure there's nothing too serious going on. So while we follow our RISA, we also want to make sure we follow no harm, so no heat, alcohol, massage or running for the first 48 to 72 hours. Thanks guys for tuning in, and make sure you come back next week for our footy final special.